Now the topic is structure of aerosol. Structure of aerosol. This is mainly present. This structure is majorly present in meter dose inhalers. This is majorly present in the meter dose inhalers. Okay, so what are the parts of aerosol? What are the parts of aerosol? So this is majorly the container. The container made up of either glass. Actually, the container is made up of metals. The container is made up of metal. Why it is not made up with glass means the container which must and should withstand the high pressure, because here the propellants, nothing but propellant, nothing but the gas molecules. Gas molecules are like more gaps between the gas molecules. When we need to compress this under high pressure, or under the high pressure, then they can be converted into liquid. Here the gas form is there. More means particle distance is more. When you will compress under the high pressure, then the distance between the gas molecule will reduce. We can call it a liquid phase. When you will compress this under the high pressure or at low temperature, then we can convert this gas into the liquid form. Now, so first metallic container. Why metallic means it must and should withstand the pressure exerted by these molecules, liquid phase molecules. And second one is dip tube. See, dip tube, which is present into the solution. This is nothing but solution. Propellant plus drug, we can call it solution. This is propellant plus drug. Next one is valve housing or valve body. This part, valve housing or valve body. Next one is spring is there here. Next one is gas cut is there. Next, stem, we can call it a stem. Next one is actuator. When you will press this actuator like downward, then what will happen means the spring will open here, and the liquid contents will move like this. When you will press this one, then there is a opening of spring here, then the liquid content will move like this. And when you will stop actuating means again the closure of the valve. The valve get closed. So this is about the various parts of aerosol. So now we are discussing majorly about the propellant. What is the mechanism of propellant? See, propellant is present like a balloon. Propellant is like present as a air balloons. Air balloons is filled of gas. And these air balloons, what will this do means they will force this drug particle to upside. See, from the container they will push this drug particle from the container into the upside. Then what will happen, these particles will move like this and they will come outside. They will come from this region. Then whatever the propellant present inside the container is liquid in nature. Then whatever the propellant which came out from the container are vapor or gas in nature. Means, see, why it is happening means, why these propellants are converted from liquid phase into gas phase when it comes out of the container. Propellants are filled with high pressure. Into the container. When this propellant will move from high pressure region to the outside low pressure region. Then the pressure between the molecules. Like this. See, molecules are very close in distance in the liquid phase. When you will remove this pressure means again the particles, the gas molecules, they will divide like this, and they are in the gaseous form. See, solid line I have represented. Broken line nothing but gases, means vapor instant. Whatever the propellant is present, these are gases in nature. And this gas, again this gases, this gas balloon, again they pull the particles into the mouth. See, this gas molecule exert pressure on this particle, then this particle will move through the mouth, then it will travel through the respiratory tract, then enters into the lungs. Propellants liquid phase, when it comes outside from high pressure region to low pressure region, they will converted in the form of gaseous form. Then this gaseous form again exert the pressure on this particle, then due to the pressure exerted by the propellant, then these particles will move into through the nose into the respiratory system, means into the lungs. These particles will move into the lungs. This is about the mechanism of propellant. So in order to exert the force pressure driven by the propellant, so first the propellant mechanism is, first it need to deliver the drug from the container into the respiratory tract. It will deliver the drug from the container into the respiratory tract or lung. And the next one is, and next what it means, and then it need to vaporize. Then the propellant, see propellant, what is the mechanism of propellant means? First the propellant need to deliver the drug from container to the respirator to the lung, from the container to the lung. And another one is the propellant need to vaporize. See, if the propellants are present as a liquid on these particles, when the particles came outside from the container, still these are present, the propellant are present as a liquid phase, means the liquid present, it will make some density. The liquid makes what it makes, the liquid and the propellant present in the form of liquid, this will unable to send the particle into the respiratory tract, unable to send the particles into the respiratory tract. How means? See, whenever the liquid having more density compared to gas. If the particles still containing liquid, means more density of the particles, unable to travel into the respiratory system. So definitely the propellant should be vaporized, or it need to converted into the gaseous form when it comes from the container to the outside. When it comes to the outside, the propellant should be converted in the gaseous form. See, gas is going outside. Then by exerting the pressure, the gas will go upside. Then the particle will move into the lungs and deposited in the lungs, leads to the proper action. So this is about the propellants and aerosol technology, and what are the parts of aerosols. Majorly in the meter dose inhalers.